I'm getting ready for this wonderful Cacio e Pepe class. And I'm prepping the ingredients. There is no cooking without drinking some delicious vino. Bucatini, grated pecorino romano, and all black peppercorn. Oh yes, already on time. I see a lot of beautiful people here. Do you guys have wine? Who's drinking wine? Who's drinking something? My name is Andrea, and I am the founder of Italia Like Locals. We've been teaching cooking classes all over the world. I'm so happy I'm with you tonight because we are preparing one of my favorite dish. If you have kids, make your kids grate the cheese. Now, a nice pot of water. And I'm gonna put this on the fire and I'm going to turn it on. Now, I'm gonna show you how to crush my black pepper, okay? I'm gonna grab a big chef knife and I'm going to crush it using my palm. Mamma mia, crush the pepper, let's go. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna toast it. As soon as you smell the flavor of the black pepper, come on, go ahead, put your face in there. You can have 3 glasses of wine and be okay to make cacio e pepe. Let me see your big bowl. You grab some cooking water and I'm gonna whisk. Bravissima, you're doing wonderful. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pasta in the water. Take a sip of wine, come on. And my pan is on. It's drizzle, sizzle, easel. Bibbidi bobbidi boobidi. We're finishing to cooking the pasta inside my pan. Look at this, amazing. Shake the pan. Let me see some dancing moves. Andiamo, everybody say andiamo.
Andiamo!
The pasta goes inside the bowl. We're gonna mix it, we're gonna toss it. I want to see everybody tossing the pasta. Now serve yourself a nice plate of pasta. Come on, don't be shy, let me see it. Grazie mille everybody.
Thank you.
Mwah.